Hello everyone, welcome back to my devlog series. Today, I just want to give you a quick update on the game I'm currently working on. It's a football management game for mobile where you take on the role of a club owner, making important decisions both on and off the pitch. And the game focuses on the Philippine Football League, bringing a fresh local twist to the football management genre. In this episode, I'll show you some of my new features I've added, improvements I've made, and what's coming next. Let's get started. For this update, I'm focusing on the stadium feature of the game. In football, it's normal for every team to have a home stadium where they host their league matches and other tournaments. However, the Philippine Football League takes a slightly different approach.
Competing in this 2024 season. Lob inside. It's still in play. Yannick takes a shot.
The league requires every team to have their own designated home stadium. One of the big challenges in the Philippines is that football isn't as popular as basketball, so the infrastructure for the sport is still quite limited. Despite these challenges, each club has its own assigned stadium. Kaya FC Iloilo is based at the Iloilo Sports Complex, while Stallion Laguna plays at the Binyan Football Stadium. Davao Agalas FC is assigned to the Davao del Norte Sports Complex and the University of Makati Stadium. And Dynamic Herb Cebu uses the Dynamic Herb Sports Complex in Cebu. Mindiola FC 1991 is based at the City of Imus Grandstand and Rock Oval in Cavite, while Maharlika Taguig FC, Manila Digger FC, and One Taguig FC all call the McKinley Hill Stadium in Taguig their home ground. Meanwhile, Loyola FC, based on my research, they have partnership with the Victoria City in Negros that has newly built Victoria City football pitch. But in reality, while each team in the Philippine Football League has an official designated home stadium, the majority of matches are still played at centralized venues, like the Rizal Memorial Stadium in Manila or the Binyan Football Stadium in Laguna. This setup is mainly because football infrastructure in the Philippines is still growing and some home stadiums may not yet meet the requirements to regularly host league matches. Also, the league faces some financial challenges. In this game, I plan to include all the home stadiums of the teams, each with a detailed 3D representation of the actual stadiums in the Philippines. Players will have the ability to upgrade their stadiums, increase its capacity, and enhancing the overall facility. This feature will allow players to improve their team's home base, making it an important aspect of team management and progression. I started by creating a 3D model of the Binyan Football Stadium, the home ground of Stallion Laguna FC, and one that I personally root for since I'm from Laguna. I used Blender to craft the stadium and it only took me a few hours to put it together. My goal was to keep the design low poly, performance reasons while still capturing the essence of the stadium. The process began with basic shapes to block out the structure, followed by detailing the stands and adding simple textures to give it life. I wanted to ensure the stadium looked recognizable yet kept it light to fit the game's aesthetic. Here's the breakdown of the process I followed to create it, and some of the challenges I faced along the way. And here's the first design of the Binyan Football Stadium. While I plan to add more details down the line, I'm really happy with what I have accomplished so far. That's all for now. Next up, I'll be working on the other stadiums and integrating them into the game, as well as developing the stadium upgrade mechanic. Stay tuned for more updates and thanks for following along on this journey.